Always check for nuggets. All right. You guys probably never both hand either, huh?
No, never.
Alrighty, you're about to get a lesson. So we do.
Pull your pants up first. You're both check. Okay.
Okay, so 15-3, remember that.
Okay. 15-3.
15-3, and you're about to learn the 15-3. Okay?
Okay.
So you get your gold pan, classify your bigger rocks off of it, so you have a more consistent size of rock that's in here, okay? Then get your water, and what you're doing is what Mother Earth has been doing for millennia, and you're creating liquefaction. It's called liquefaction. Liquefaction action, okay? So I point the riffles away from me. See how the riffles in the pan are away from me? Get in here and just stir this up, and you're creating that liquefaction in the rock. Gold is 19 times heavier than water. Oh, wow. So the only thing that comes close to that is lead, and lead is like 17 times or whatever. So gold is the first thing to hit the bottom of your pan, okay? So you get that liquefaction going in there, and you do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now as you're first starting out, you're gonna be pretty slow at this, and you're gonna be nervous about losing your gold. But I guarantee you, if there's gold in your pan, it's gonna be at the bottom of your pan already, okay? So I'm gonna go a little bit faster now and do it my way. You wanna do the 15-3 method until you're comfortable with doing it, okay? And the best way to practice is just get a pile of dirt, get some BBs from a BB gun or some staples, count how many you have, throw them in your pan, and start doing it. If you end up with the same amount every time that you pan it out, you know your method's getting better. Yeah. Okay. So I like to get down there quick to the black sands. And there's no black sands in this one because I was probably in a bad spot. Oh, there is black sands. So black sands are your magnetite, your iron, magnesium. Okay, and then see how I'm down to the black sands? Then you just slowly go back and forth. And if there's any gold in there, it should shine like nothing. Look, oh. Oh, little tiny pieces. Tiny.
You guys see them?
Hold on, let me get it back to where Okay, this is the back and forth method.
Oh, I see one. Yeah, I see one.
This is where you get your sucker, right?
Yep.
Is that it right there?
Two little ones.
Nope.
That's not it?
Nope. Gold will stick to the pan.
Oh, I see them over there then.
As I'm doing this, they will not move at all.
Okay.
If you're gentle, you know. So right there. Oh, right there. See it? Right. Oh,
I think so.
I just lost it. There's a tiny flake right at the tip of my pinky right there. It's tiny.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's so cool.
But that's just from grabbing whatever. You know, I just grabbed 3 scoops from. And then once you get down to your black sand, you can do a swirl like that, or you can go back and forth like this, and there's little tiny flakes starting to pop out.
We got some gold.
There's, oh, look.
Is there a bunch?
Look, there's a bunch of fines. Can you see them?
Yeah, I think so.
See all the really small stuff, but for what you just dug up, that's really good.
Cool. So then you typically dump that stuff, right?
Iron. Watch this. We're about to get some good gold because I've already seen it. This one we might want to snuff up.
Okay.
If you see it before you're even done,
It's a good sign.
that's a real. Yeah, I see it right
Sparkly.
now. Okay, watch.
Is it like a little tiny chunk?
There's a bunch.
Okay.
Watch. I'm gonna tap it all up into this corner. I'm gonna start backwashing it, and you tell me when you guys see it.
Oh, yeah.
In there.
Saw some right
I
there.
saw. Is it that? No.
Oh,
look at
my
all
hell!
That's so cool.
Whoa.
Look at that. There's a big chunk.
Oh, yeah. Big flake there.
Big flake there. That is actually gold right there, but it's caked in mercury.
Oh, wow.
So lick it.
Don't lick it. But look at all that gold.
So this is where you suck it up.
Sparkly.
What do you call it?
So this is where you'd start dredging.
Can I?